Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving deep into Axiom Trade and exploring the best settings you can use when trading Solana-based meme coins. I'll walk you through each option step by step, explain what every settings actually does, and show you how to optimize your strategy for fast, high volatility markets. Whether you are new to automated trading or you have been experimenting with different bots, this breakdown will help you understand how to get a smoother, more controlled training experience. Let's get started. So this is the website of Axiom Trade. I have also given provided the website link in the description. You can directly sign up to this website through that affiliate link available in the description of this video. Okay, so when you open this link, you will get this kind of interface. Okay, so I will guide you step by step how you can create an account and how you can then use it to trade for the Solana meme coin. Okay, so this is the overall layout of this website. Okay, so you have to click on this sign up button. After when you click on the link, you will come to this page, and after that you have to click on the sign up button, and then you can do sign up in two ways. Like you can do it manually, or you can also go with the continue with Google or continue connect with Phantom. Okay, so I will go with continue with the Google button. Okay, and here I will select my Google account. It will fetch all of the details of my Google account in just a few seconds with this feature. Okay, and our account will be successfully created on the Axiom. Okay, so I'll select continue. So as you can see that our account has been successfully created at the Axiom Trade. And okay, so I'm just here you can you will get your key, recovery key. Okay, so I'm just skipping it right now. Okay, so it has given us the deposit address as well. So I will just apply all the settings here and then just click finish. Here you can see that the platform is has been already selected as the Solano. Okay, and you can choose for the your own coin that you want to trade for. So in this option you can search for the coin. Let's suppose we want to search for meme coin. So you will get this meme coin here. Okay, and the platform is Solana. So Javed will select meme coin and it will display us all the data. So here finally I have selected the meme coin. Okay, on the right side of this page you can see the buy and the sell option, and you will see the important option which is about market limit and advanced settings. Okay, so you have to clearly select your market cap. Okay, so as you can see that there are multiple presets. You can also choose your or create your multiple presets here, like you can add the dry, priority and slippage as well. Okay, so as you can see that the bot are 0 and sold are 0 and holdings are 0 right now. Okay, so let's go for the advanced trading strategy, and here you can also make sure that you select your take profit and stop loss. If you don't select your stop loss, then all of your account will be washed, and you will just know after the account is washed. Okay, so here you have to select your limit for the market cap. So right now the best market cap limit is like $10,000 at the moment. So you have to do all the research first before selecting all these informations. Okay, so after that then you can just go for the buy and the sell, and you can also check for this trading chart. Okay, and here you can also apply some effects or indicators and the candles as well. So you have to move strategically if you want to get a good trade at meme coin for through this Solana platform. So that was all about Axiom Trade, how you can use it for the meme coin trade with the Solana platform. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.